We've discovered the Skiatook Central Park. It's a quite beautiful little park. There's a fountain down here.
This is beautiful.
It is beautiful, huh? Look at this fun place. Whoa, now there's beauty if I've ever seen it. Boom, this is a cool park. Micah's over here on the bulldog. Whoa. Okay, hang on. Spin on it, spin, spin, spin. Oh, that's cool. Sit on it, Fresh. On the slide, bub. Don't be scared. You got this. Whoa. Whoa, dude. Doesn't look very safe. Holy wetness. And look at you over there on the right. Keep it going for a minute, guys. Keep it going, keep it going. Oh. This is going to get all the way up there. Whoa. Whoa, now Mom's getting up there. Look at that. Queen of the rock. Ooh la la. Get on up there, guys. You can go way up there. Micah's got the right idea.